Hi, I'm Sabrina Frey, and I would like to introduce you today to a piece that I call Just Leaning. This is a beautiful fir tree that I decided to do using bugle beads for the tree and seed beads for the background. This tree was kind of unique for me. It was the first time that I actually used the bugle beads in this way to create this effect, and I put a lot of emphasis on the direction of the pine needles to kind of give it movement and play, kind of layering the pine needles on top, one on top of the other. Then I also used the bugle beads for the trunk of the tree to create some texture. I used twisted and straight beads, and then I used seed beads for the background. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this and my other videos as well. Have a good day.